Hello guys, welcome back to Morningstar. In this video, I'll be explaining about a trade that we took recently in IndusInd Bank and why it didn't turn out the way we expected it to be. So this is a mistake that happened in my part. I'll explain why the entry seemed so good, and there's something that I missed out during the entry that I'll explain. So towards the top left corner of the screen, you'll be able to see that the name of the stock is IndusInd Bank. Now, here, somewhere here, you can see two horizontal lines that I've drawn. So this looked like a resistance zone to me, because price had tested it multiple times. It was never able to close above anywhere recently. Then what happened, a pin candle occurred, almost like a pin candle occurred, and then there was some volume breakout here on the 3rd of February. So we were watching the stock, and then what happened is, we were only able to see until this part, right? On the 3rd of February, it showed some sort of a breakout. So what I saw was there were no resistances nearby. If you scroll out a bit, you will be able to see that there are no resistances nearby at all, right? It looks plain and simple. If you enter somewhere here, you'll be able to get out at 1548 rupees. So we took the trade, we entered in IndusInd Bank, but there was something which I hadn't noticed. Now, if you draw a trend line like this connecting all these points, the top and the wicks of all these candles, you will be able to see that you will get this beautiful trend line where the stock has faced multiple rejections, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times, right? This one, I missed it. I did not draw this trend line, and that is why now I am stuck in the stock. So what even though, this is the time that I'm looking at the stock, and this trend line looks very evident to me. So what should I have done? I should have gotten out somewhere here, right? I should have exited the trade somewhere here when it was retesting this trend line. Fine, well enough. If it breaks this trend line, that is true. If you scroll back out a bit, this will be able to go until the target that we have set previously, 1548 rupees. But the problem is, the stock has not been able to break above this trend line, and the price was unable to close above this trend line. So every time it comes anywhere near this trend line, it faces rejection. It retests that trend line, then comes back down. So I entered somewhere around here after this bullishness and this consolidation, without realizing that there is a nice trend that is being formed here. So this is a mistake that I made recently, guys. But then again, see, if IndusInd Bank is breaking this trend line with good momentum and with really good volume, I'm guaranteeing you that you will be able to ride it until this point here, because there are no resistances anywhere here. This is not a huge resistance. If it's breaking with momentum, it will definitely be able to breach this point as well. And this 1550 almost rupees acts like a very good resistance, because it has been tested multiple lines. This horizontal line that I've drawn, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so many times it has tested. So if IndusInd Bank breaks this trend line, it might give this sort of return soon enough. So even if you enter somewhere here after it breaks this trend line, you'll be able to book something close to 32%. So you can keep the stock in your watch list. As I always say, this is not a stock recommendation or a financial advice or a financial call or a stock call of any kind. I'm not qualified enough to do it. So that is about it, guys. Thank you.